how does data governance and MDM, how do they interplay? How do they work together? Does MDM exist to solve the clear, lack of clear data governance? Or once you have good data governance, you no longer need MDM? Can you help us understand the interplay there?
That's a great question. And having lived through various evolutions of MDM and data governance as overarching concept, my take on this is that it is an ever evolving continuum where these two things have to go hand in hand. Because think about it as an example, data quality. What is good enough? Right? If you let's say if you have the ability to claim that you have reached 70% as the milestone in improving data quality, does that mean your work with data quality is over? Or does that mean that you can go ahead and now tackle the remaining 30%? Or, instead of tackling all of the 30%, you will say, I have to improve it from 70 to 75, 75 to 78. And you keep making incremental progress because in these areas, there is a long tail of opportunity and effort that is involved with it. So what is the best way of solving for these things in concert? I think this is where certain principles have to be thought through, where how does master data management aid data governance and how does data governance aid master data management? Because both of them have to go hand in hand. And as we bring together, aggregate, and unify information, we have to think about, is there a different governance model that we can apply to it? Because instead of being fragmented, siloed, data spread across all different systems, even if you put system of governance and system of curation in place, which is the master data management system, then you have to think about how the data governance policies will drive the continuous improvement on top of it. And instead of having data governance spread out into different parts of the organization, can you do it in a manner where you are empowering more people to participate in that data governance cycle? Right. So essentially, taking it from a small number of people to democratizing data governance, where if we are working with the business on a specific, let's say, customer, can we contribute and make the quality of that customer record better? Our belief, and this is why we created the UI capabilities, which a lot of customers give us feedback on how differentiated or good the UI capabilities are. But our goal has been that we have to put data into hands of more users, because the more eyeballs that can be on the data, and more hands on keyboards that can be aiding and assisting in the work with the data, the better the quality and the governance of that data gets. Otherwise, it's in some dark room or black box, and nobody has a good understanding of what the governance policies and practices are. But by bringing more users with the data together, it drives to a better outcome.